Getting your products added quickly to your Shopify store is essential when you want to start selling fast. Once you're logged into your Shopify dashboard, look to the left menu and click on products. Then click the add product button at the top right. Start by entering your product's title and a clear benefit focus on description that tells shoppers why your product is worth buying. High quality images are a must. Upload multiple photos showing your product from different angles to build trust and make your listing stand out. Next, set your price and inventory. If you use SKU numbers, add those too to keep track of your stock. Don't forget to enter the shipping weight if you're charging shipping based on weight. To save even more time, Shopify offers a bulk editor. You can select multiple products and update prices, inventory counts, or tags all at once, which is a huge time saver. If you have a lot of products, you can use Shopify CSV import feature. Download their CSV templates, fill it out with all your product details in a spreadsheet, and upload it to add hundreds of products in minutes. Once your products are added, organize them into collections like new arrivals or best sellers. This makes your store easier to navigate and helps customers find what they want faster. If you want a step by step on bulk uploading or tips on writing product descriptions that sell, hit like and follow and drop a comment if you want me to cover product photography or SEO uh, for your listings next.